Now then, hello. I was tagged by JJ in the 3-ingredient meal challenge, so here I am. I'm down at camp for the day, so we'll get cracking, shall we? Got plenty of paper birch bark here. I'm just going to get straight on with lighter, no faffing about. Let's get a bed down there. It's all going to be a small fire. There's all this wash up as well from the recent floods we've had, all pushed against the trees. It's dry as a bone. Ideal kindling and tinder. Tell you something, it's warming down here today. So, first ingredient I've got is one of these part cooked baguettes. All I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it in tin foil and light next to the fire. And over time that should cook nice. If I just put that there, that should be alright. So while I'm waiting for my water to boil for my brew and the fire to get nice for my food, I'll give my 3 nominations for the 3-ingredient meal challenge. First up, Dorian Lane. Nice chap from the Welsh Valleys, I believe. Does some really nice hammock camping, tent camping, does a lot of meetups as well. Yeah, nice channel. Nice channel. I'll put a link in the description below. Next up we'll have T.A Outdoors. Again, great channel. Going out exploring, on big walks should I say, and camping with his friends. Great channel, nice guy. Again, link in the description. And I want to do something different this third one. Sod it. Mike from T.A Outdoors. Let's see. Yeah, 3-ingredient challenge, mate. Over to you. Obviously everyone knows T.A Outdoors, but I'll put a link in the description below just in case you don't. So, yeah, nice one. I'll bring you back in a bit. I'm keeping those flames going, getting it all built up nice and hot underneath, some nice hot ashes. I was also cooking the bread as well on the left hand side. I want that done before I move on to the next ingredient. Not a million miles off now. Bread's doing good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this onion up, get some oil in the pan. I did have a frying pan down here, but it seems to have either vanished by someone taking it, or the floods have taken it somewhere. But all my other pans are still here, which is a bit weird. I had a small little egg frying pan as well. That's vanished. So, put the oil in. Put the pan on with a bit of oil in. I'm going to cut the onions up. I'm not going to dice them or anything, I'm just going to cut them into slices. So then once they all start caramelising, we can just drape them over what I'm cooking. So that's ingredients 1, and ingredients 2 about to go on. Here we go, the last of the 3 ingredients. Some bratwurst. I don't want to get it too hot, I don't want it too burnt. Oh, I smell the onions on, it's lovely. There we go. We're losing the sausage. Right, let's get these built. That's good enough. Oh, the smell of that bread. Should have brought another onion, a really small one. I could stay at that. Oh, there you go. 3 ingredient meal: bread, sausage, bratwurst, onion. Tight dig in, eh? So, just to recap on my nominations for the 3 ingredient meal challenge, it's T.A Outdoors, Dorian Lane and Mike from T.A Outdoors. Let's see if we can do it then, boys, eh? I'll put all descriptions to your channels below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. See you again soon.